Hello, welcome to my LabVIEW project featuring a function generator and oscilloscope as well as a spectral analyzer. Also, on these buttons on the right, I have the ability to produce a sine wave, a square wave, and some other waveforms, which we'll get to in a moment. If I hit run and hit the sine wave, this is produced. Right now it's triggered, now it's untriggered with this button. I can also produce a square wave, I can untrigger and trigger. I can also produce a triangle and a sawtooth waveform, as well as a DC waveform when it's untriggered. Here I can add noise to any waveform, sawtooth or triangle or square wave, also to a sinusoidal wave. Over on these bars, I have an automatically updating numeric display for frequency, amplitude, max, mean, min, and RMS voltage. I can adjust the line width being displayed with this slider bar. I can also increase the amplitude with this knob. To be paired with that, I can adjust the volts per division with this knob. I can also adjust the frequency from 20 Hz all the way up to 20 kHz with this knob. I can adjust with this one the seconds per division. And over here with the spectral analyzer, I can increase the amplitude of the signal. I can move on and adjust the frequency. Back in the function generator and oscilloscope window, I can also click on the save button to store the data to oscilloscope.lavm. And that's all. Thank you. Great.